All right, guys, we are here with the RX7, as you can see right here. And I just want to ask a few questions and show you some things on it. So let's get right into that. First of all, let me show you what I've done so far, or what I have been doing. Check this bad boy out. We are hitting this roof. See, we got some stuff right here. It's just small little stuff. This is just putty, nothing crazy. But we're just covering that. I'm gonna go and sand those down. Then also we have right here, these are just some small things. This is not a bunch of Bondo, it's just small, very light putty that I put over here. Because these are just small dings, these are nothing crazy. Get a look right there. Done that, and I am having to do this door too. This door needs a lot of work. It is seriously messed up. It got hit real bad, but I'll get it there. I'll get that straight. We did this right here and get around here. It's focusing. Got that too, all along with the roof. So I'm gonna try to finish this, the door. Then I haven't checked this fender. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna try to do the other fender. Then I'll come back and prime everything. Then everything will be checked about once. Then I'm gonna check everything one more time, so a total of 2 times. Then we can start wet sanding and get it ready for paint. This door I've about done. This door was in horrible shape, but there's small things like right here and over here I haven't done. I didn't hit this side of the main, just did right here because it was really bad right there. But other than that, we've checked about everything. We can do the hood and the front and back bumper, haven't done those. Then we need to also prime the light covers. But we're getting there. Bodywork is pretty easy, there's not much. There's some dings here and there, some have more than the other. But this is what we're looking like so far. I took off the body kit for now just because I feel like the stock body looks a lot better. I am going to be painting both body kits, then we'll figure out from there. I think the body kit will look 10 times nicer with this lowered and on some nice wheels, but let me know what you think on that. If you like the body kit with it how the way it is, or if you like it the stock body. Quick little wide angle, let me see if I can. Yeah, look at that. That's all stock body, stock bumper, front bumper, then stock back also. This stock back bumper is in amazing condition, but you get you that in, you get some tail lights. There we go. There's that. Then I'm gonna put a picture right here of how it looks with the body kit. Put a few pictures right here, so let me know what you think. Compare the two, drop it in the comments. Those are a few things. I also sprayed some undercoating on this, which I'll try to include a video, or I'll show you right now in a second. But that brings me to another question. I know I've gave us a few colors, like the Ryoski's FC off of Initial D. The only thing I thought about doing different was using a pearl white on this. I think that would look sick. Then go with the decals in the back over here and whatnot, just like it is on Initial D. If you think another color would look 10 times better than this, drop it in the comments, let me know. I'm open to all colors, so don't be afraid. Let me know what you think, or if you think we should just go with the Initial D Ryoski replica. So let me know about that. Then also the engine. My thoughts is the 13B always, I want the Dorito engine, but I would like to get the Turbo 2 one. I think that would be pretty sick. Look at that. But yeah, let me show you under here one second. Look, bad boy up, it's like bird poop right now. Let me put the stand. Engine bay wise, this is what we're looking like. We got it all painted. We got our pearl blue in there. It's a little hard to see because it doesn't want to focus. But yeah, we have our painted engine bay. I have the AC stuff and whatnot. I'm still throwing that back in. I have a few lines. But this is what we're looking like. I think the 13B would look great in here. And I just want to keep it original with the 13B. The only thing I would like to do is put the Turbo 2 so you have a little more fun. Hear that turbs key, hear those turbo flutters. I mean, how could you go wrong with that? But let me know what you think, or if you should just go NA 13B, let me know, drop it down, or if you think another swap would be good for this, but I really want to keep it 13B. But as I was saying, drop them all in the comments. I'm going to be checking everything y'all saying. Y'all opinion matters. And I'm going to be putting it into this build, what you say. If there's something you would like to see on this car, certain parts, certain things you would like me to do to this, drop it down. I will be checking. that's really all I got for this one. I just wanted to give y'all that quick little run around. Any questions you got, drop them down and I'll answer them all in the next video. Appreciate you. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. One little last view. There we go. Appreciate you. Comment.